Hi, my name is Karina Tran, and this is my data collection assignment. One research topic that I think is applicable for unobtrusive research is the topic of subconscious parental favoriting using the method of visual observation of displayed photographs. Another topic relating to the aforementioned one is the subject matter of family photographs being shown and those being kept and for what reason. Again, this may be done through observing such photographs that are displayed in person around the house or even on social media, for example. A third research topic may surround the idea of viewing various social media accounts and determining whether their amount of followers have an impact on the consistency and frequency of their posts. Lastly, an appropriate unobtrusive research topic may be if one were to determine the difference in writing between opposing political documents, such as a party's proposing platform, during an election period. The differences would include searching for use in language and rhetoric that are presented in each party's platform proposal. This week's class engagement recalled my memory of mean, median, and mode, as this useful quantitative analysis is very useful in many situations when determining various variables. In this week's journal, I am beginning with a reflection on cases with regard to the Navivo application. Cases constitute as units of analysis when analyzing data in terms of characteristics, which includes gender, age, employment, and marital status. Such a useful tool when analyzing data may be utilized in future activities if, for example, from a survey, one researcher may desire to select how answers differ between employed citizens and unemployed ones in order to prove a hypothesis. Next is the other convenient tool called visualizing codes. This allows one to refer back to similar themes from various texts when conducting research. It is always necessary to keep notes so that one may go back and connect data with data they have collected. In Week 9's lab deemed very practical to me as it discussed mean, median, and mode. Knowing how to determine these is useful for future activities as it provides an account of nominal data and interval or ratio data in different ways to produce meaningful answers. Other functional methods discussed were frequency tables, cross-tabulations, and regression analyses. Such tools help researchers in comparing and contrasting different occurrences. This week's material revisited the application Excel. It was a good refresher for me as I recall being introduced to Excel in grade 9 business class. This app has continued to be used throughout my high school and university career, as I see it being and I also see it being utilized further in my future course in research, for example. As I have more prior knowledge of Excel, I feel more comfortable using it compared to SPSS. SPSS is also very handy, but is more confusing and new. Thank you for listening.